Hey everyone, welcome back to Build It with Cuz. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a dishwasher that's not drying your dishes properly. If you've noticed that your dishes come out wet, it might be due to a faulty heating element. Let's get started. Tools and safety. First, here are the tools you'll need: a screw gun or a screwdriver, channel locks or wrench, a multimeter to test the element, and replacement heating element. And remember, always unplug your dishwasher before starting any repairs for safety. We need to remove the two screws that hold the dishwasher in place. Remove the bottom dish rack and slide dishwasher out. Remove two connectors on back of dishwasher. Set multimeter to test for continuity. Take the red probe and black probe and test for continuity. If nothing changes on multimeter, then the heating element is bad. Then, unscrew the heating element from its housing. Remove the heating element from inside the dishwasher. Make sure it's identical to the new one. Test the new heating element prior to installing it. Make sure it doesn't stay at OL on multimeter. Install new heating element. Install new plastic nuts that were supplied with the new heating element. Make sure you tighten very good so dishwasher doesn't leak. Once everything is reassembled, plug the dishwasher back in and run a short test cycle to make sure everything is working properly and your dishes are drying as they should.